Need one belt that works for everything, from work to weekends to nights out? Meet this stylish men's PU leather belt with an automatic buckle. Made from durable PU leather with a sleek geometric buckle, it's designed for daily wear. The automatic clasp means no holes, no hassle, just a smooth, secure fit every time. With a 3.4 centimeters width, it's perfect for jeans, chinos, or trousers. Dress it up for the office or down for casual outings, parties, or festivals. Lightweight, affordable, and versatile, this belt is a true wardrobe staple that adds a polished touch without breaking the bank. Ready to upgrade your belt game with one go-to accessory? Check the link in the description below to see styles and buy this belt now. Thanks for watching, and style it up!